Is 2021 going to be your year? New Year's resolutions are notoriously fickle. We make big claims about what we want to achieve, but we rarely put the plans in place or have the motivation to commit to them. It is so important to have goals because they keep you moving forward and they give your life direction. However, if you've watched my video on why your habits aren't sticking, you'll know that unless you know exactly why you want to achieve that goal or incorporate that habit into your life, you are never going to make a change. The 3 habits that we discuss in this video don't require a January 1st timestamp. You can start them right now and commit to incorporating them into your life to help you become the best version of yourself. Not just in 2021, but forever. Hi, I'm Tash from The Loving Lifestyle, a channel dedicated to helping you live your best life. Today, I have 3 habits that you need to start right now. But before we start, don't forget to hit like and give it a subscribe so you never miss my content. Firstly, positive affirmations. You may have heard the term affirmations thrown around a lot in the self-development space, but you might not know exactly what positive affirmations are. Positive affirmations are statements about yourself or your ability that, when repeated regularly, become internalized and condition you to believe those things about yourself. Does that sound a little scary? Well, think about this. You are being conditioned by the things you hear all day, every day. Yup. Everything you consume is impacting how you feel about yourself. So, with that in mind, by reciting positive affirmations to yourself daily, you are self-conditioning beliefs that serve you and your goals in life. I like to tailor positive affirmations to reinforce positive beliefs I hold about myself and to dispel any negative, limiting beliefs. So here's a few examples. I am capable of incredible things. I empathize and care about others. I am resilient against hard times. I am interesting and good company. A few other examples of positive affirmations would be, I am proud of myself. I am worthy of love. I am strong and beautiful. My intelligence is limitless. I recommend that you collate a handful of affirmations that feel suitable for your personal journey, either through working on and recognizing your values and limiting beliefs and tailoring affirmations accordingly, or you can look online for some ideas and see what affirmations stick out to you. So how exactly do you practice positive affirmations? Well, the process can be a little uncomfortable if you're new to self-awareness, because you want to recite these affirmations to yourself, preferably whilst looking in a mirror. We have spent so long hiding from ourselves or not even noticing what we look like that many of us don't even see our own beauty and power. Look yourself in the eye and tell yourself how amazing you are. Yes, of course, it's going to be uncomfortable at first. It's like getting to know someone for the first time. It's not always effortless, but persevere and you'll begin to notice huge shifts in how you speak to yourself and how you allow others to speak to you too. We really need to start getting to know ourselves a little better. We've been on autopilot for so long that we've forgotten how to tap into who we really are. Incorporate positive affirmations into your life if you want to start living your best life in 2021 and beyond. Secondly, keep a journal. Now, when I say keep a journal, I don't mean that you have to spend an hour each night writing down everything that you did or felt that day. Journaling is just writing in a book, or really writing anywhere, on your laptop, on a piece of paper. You can do it in any way that feels good to you. We can start journaling at any point, and we don't have to do it every single day for it to be effective. We can journal once a week, or just anytime we feel called to it. Don't fall into the perfectionism trap with this one. Journaling is a very broad term and it looks different for everyone. If you feel you need guidance in order to know where to start, then you can use journaling prompts such as, what are 3 things that you feel grateful for today? What made you feel proud today? How could today have been better? What made you feel drained today? These kinds of prompts allow you to see what you should be creating more time for in your life and perhaps what you should be trying to remove in order to live your best life. life. If the idea of structured prompts makes you feel restricted or like it's homework, thought streams are a great way to journal without boundaries. It's exactly what it sounds like. Just write out the stream of thoughts that are running through your head. We are thinking all the time. So there's always something that's going on that will feel good to get out and onto paper. Think of thought streams like those late night chats with friends, where you're not thinking about what you're saying or trying to sound clever. Your inhibitions are down and you're just letting it all out. You can do this first thing in the morning whilst your brain is warming up, as your sleepiness will likely make it easier to write without thinking too much about how or what you're writing. Or you can do it before bed to get it all out so that you can fall asleep without your mind keeping you awake with all these thoughts that have accumulated throughout the day. The benefits of journaling include better mental health, sleeping better, smarter decision making, reducing feelings of loneliness, and much more. But most importantly for us, reflecting on our journaling can prompt revelations on what is going well in our lives and what areas maybe need a little more attention so that we can really live our best lives. The third habit that will change your life in 2021 and beyond is doing something that brings you joy every single day. Today is the most important day of your life. We keep looking for happiness in the future tense, but all we are guaranteed is right now. This year, I personally have been pretty bad for this. Things will be better when, I'll feel happier when, I can relax when, I just need to get by until. We're looking to the future for solutions, but we're still here in the present. Every day is a blessing. It's a sentiment that we hear a lot, but we haven't really internalized. It's so easy to get caught up in this go, go, go world that even when we think we are being present or appreciating the moment, it's not long before we jump to the next thing. Can you count how many days this month you truly felt joyful? Can you count it on one hand? Isn't that heartbreaking? In order to truly thrive rather than just survive, we need to incorporate and appreciate the joy in our lives every single day. So, a few ideas on things that might bring you joy that you can do every day. Spend quality time with a pet. Treat yourself to your favorite meal. Say hi to a neighbor. Wear your favorite earrings just because. Get dressed up for no reason other than to feel good. Put fresh sheets on your bed, even if it's not laundry day. Blast your favorite music and jump around for a while. Get the fancy hot chocolate or the expensive booze out of the back of the cupboard. Every day is a special occasion. Have a moment of indulgence. Do something that you used to love as a kid, such as drawing a cartoon or doing some Lego. I'm sure you have some in the back of a cupboard somewhere. Send a message to a distant friend. Take a nap. Reread your favorite book, or even just your favorite chapter. Have some alone time. Go to that park you keep walking past but never have the time to go in. Order an extra fancy coffee with all the toppings. Have dessert, even if it's Monday. None of these things are exceptionally time-consuming or expensive, or even that luxurious, but they bring us joy nonetheless. I truly hope you found some inspiration in today's video on 3 habits to start before 2021. These habits don't take much time or energy or effort at all, but they will change your life for the better. And you can start them right now. If you got this far, you are a real one. And I'd love for you to hit like and maybe share this with a friend. I'll see you next week or over on my Instagram at the.lovinglifestyle. Lots of love.